Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Motorola phone has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on, and the TV is connected to the same network. Open the Smart Connect app now. When it asks for location, storage, and local network access, allow them so device discovery works. Once done, tap the devices or cast icon inside the app to begin scanning. You're initiating a secure handshake between phone and TV, not just mirroring yet. This step finds and authenticates. Once the app shows your TV, you select it and follow the pairing prompts. Sometimes a 4-digit PIN appears on the TV, enter it on your phone. After pairing, choose what to send. Cast the entire screen, stream specific media, or use app mode for optimized playback. Make sure to set the TV's input to the casting receiver if required. If performance lags, switch from router 2. 4 GHz to 5 GHz for less interference. That improves bandwidth for high bitrate video. To finish, confirm resolution and audio output inside Smart Connect. Matching the TV's native resolution prevents scaling issues. Start playback and monitor for sync. If audio lags, toggle app audio settings or reboot the media session. If connection fails, restart the app, toggle Wi-Fi/Bluetooth, or reboot the TV and phone. That clears most handshake errors. One key tip: if Discovery never finds the TV, temporarily disable VPNs and any strict firewall on the router. Then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.